Hi all! So, I have brought this amazing vegan chocolate kulfi which is made by using only two ingredients. Trust me, it's super easy, no sugar, no cream. You need some bananas. So, these are bananas from my own garden. So, they are absolutely amazing and completely organic. So, try to find the sweetest banana so that your ice cream becomes more sweet naturally. So first you need to peel the bananas and you have to chop them nicely. I'll show you how to chop them and how to freeze them. This is really important. Also, if you have not checked my previous ice cream video, I will link it here so you can go back to it and check it out. So I'm using the same process that I used for that one. This is how you are going to freeze any fruit that you need for your vegan ice cream or no cream ice cream. So you need to freeze bananas like these. You have to line them up flat. Make sure they do not over pile on each other because they will otherwise freeze together and you do not want that. You want them to freeze individually so that it is more easier to churn them. So make sure this is followed. So ziplock your bag and you are going to freeze it. You are going to freeze it for at least 8 hours or overnight. So it will be all ready for your ice cream. So as you can see, my fridge is really loaded with frozen fruits. So whichever fruit you find in the season, try to freeze them so that you can use it for your smoothies or ice creams later on in some another season whenever you like. So the bananas are completely frozen and we are going to churn them now with the second ingredient of your kulfi. So let's see. So now we are going to add 2.5 teaspoons of cocoa powder. This is no sugar, pure cocoa powder. So we are going to add that, and you do not need to add any sugar in this ice cream. This is completely without sugar. The banana is naturally very sweet. So as you can see, this is how it will look, and it's really smooth and creamy. So now we are on the second step of freezing this mixture. Since the mixture is really smooth, you need to freeze it again to get that kulfi consistency. So you transfer it back to that same ziploc bag and you freeze it for another 4 hours maybe. So that would be enough time for it to freeze so that you can easily cut into it. So you're going to chop it like this once it is frozen nicely. As you can see, it's much easier to chop it when it is frozen, so do it fast, otherwise it will start getting soft. So take it out of freezer only when you're ready to serve it so that everybody can enjoy the chilly amazing kulfi that you have prepared. So I'm going to add a little bit of Hershey's on this. It's my guilty pleasure that I really like it. But it is completely optional. If you want it, you can add it. If you don't want it, you can completely skip it. It's all your choice. This is just something how I like to have it. And add a bit of gems here and there. Nobody can say no to gems, right? So for my husband, I'm going to add these golden sugar crystals. They are really amazing and I absolutely love it. It complements this amazing chocolate color and flavor both. It adds this nice crunch to it. So you have it, two ingredients amazing kulfi. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next time.